United Quest Card Review 2025. Is it worth it? The United Quest card is back in 2025 with some new perks, but is it really worth getting? Let's dive into the details. Most people get this wrong by comparing it to every other travel card without looking at the reward structure. The United Quest card is designed for frequent flyers on United Airlines, offering strong travel rewards, lounge benefits and travel protections. Cardholders earn AX miles on United purchases, AX on all other travel, and AX on dining. The welcome bonus can be substantial, often enough for a round-trip domestic flight if you meet the spending requirement. One of the biggest draws is the travel perks: first checked bag free, priority boarding, and 2 United Club one-time passes per year. These can easily save you annually if you travel frequently. Another benefit is the statement credit for global entry or TAS PreCheck, which adds convenience for frequent travellers. Travel protections include trip delay reimbursement, lost luggage coverage, and primary rental car insurance, offering peace of mind on every trip. On the downside, the card carries an annual fee, which might be steep if you don't fly United often. Foreign transaction fees are waived, but other travel cards may offer higher points rates on non-United travel or broader bonus categories. Some users also report the rewards portal can be limiting compared to more flexible travel cards. In conclusion, the United Quest card in 2025 is worth it if you fly United Airlines regularly and can take advantage of the travel perks and mile bonuses. The benefits easily outweigh the annual fee for frequent travellers, while occasional flyers might find better value elsewhere. If you're a United loyalist, this card is a solid pick that can enhance your travel experience and save money in the long run.